In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create miniature art with Google Gemini AI in just a few straightforward steps. Whether you're an artist looking to explore new tools or just someone curious about AI-generated art, this quick tutorial is for you. So, let's dive in and unlock the artistic potential of Google Gemini AI together. First, you want to open up your web browser and head over to Google's main page. It's where our journey begins, so simply type in Google into your browser's address bar, press enter, and you're there. Now, in the Google search bar, type Google Gemini. This is Google's AI-powered platform designed for creating and exploring art, among other capabilities. Hit enter and you'll see a list of search results pop up. To access the Google Gemini website, click on the link that should typically be at or near the top of the search results. You'll be directed to the main page of Google Gemini. This is the hub where you can explore various tools and features provided by Google's innovative AI. Once you're on the Google Gemini website, you'll notice a plus sign somewhere on the page. Click on it. This is your gateway to uploading any photos you might want to use as inspiration or reference for your miniature art creation. After your photo is uploaded, there should be a prompt area or box on the page. It's here that you'll enter your creative prompt. Think of a description or style you want your art to embody. The more descriptive and detailed your prompt, the more unique and tailored your miniature art will be. Next, direct your attention to the Tools section. Often found in a toolbar or menu, you'll want to click on it. This is where you can fine-tune your creation process with Google Gemini's available features. Under the Tools section, look for the Create Images option and click on it. This is where the magic happens. Google Gemini AI will take your prompt and any uploaded images to start generating your art. Once you're satisfied with your prompt and any adjustments you've made using the tools, it's time to bring your miniature art to life. Simply click on Submit. This action sends your prompt through Google Gemini's AI, which then begins the process of generating your miniature artwork. And that's it. Congratulations! You've just created your own unique piece of miniature art with the help of Google Gemini AI. Whether you are creating for personal enjoyment or considering sharing your artwork with others, this tool opens up a world of possibilities for artistic exploration. Thank you for joining me today, and happy creating!